Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine liquid. Before we begin, remember that safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like safety goggles and gloves, to shield your eyes and skin from potential irritation. Ensure you are working in a well-ventilated space to prevent inhaling any vapors. Using pure ingredients is crucial for a successful and safe outcome. Now let's gather our essential materials. You'll need 5 grams of pure iodine crystals, which are the core component. Next, acquire 5 grams of potassium iodide powder. This helps the iodine dissolve effectively. You'll also need 100 milliliters of distilled water, which acts as our solvent. Finally, have a clean, dark glass dropper bottle prepared for storing your finished solution. With your materials ready, let's mix. First, carefully dissolve the 5 grams of potassium iodide powder into the 100 milliliters of distilled water. Stir until it's completely clear. Then, slowly add the 5 grams of iodine crystals to this solution. Gently stir or swirl the mixture until all the iodine crystals have fully dissolved, which might take a few minutes. You'll see the solution turn a deep reddish-brown color. Once your iodine liquid is prepared, proper storage is key to maintaining its potency. Transfer the solution into a dark, airtight glass dropper bottle to protect it from light and air. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to ensure its stability. Remember to always handle it with care. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.